Let me tell you something. I had a ton of fun making this list. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. And today I'm giving you my top 5 best. That's right, my top 5 best pull behind toy haulers for year model 2025. Now, this does not include fifth wheel toy haulers at all. Now, if this is the first time you have seen one of my videos, I have over a decade of experience in the RV industry. I have sold toy haulers, travel trailers, motorhomes. I've done the financing. I've worked on them. I've fixed them. I've done just about every job at an RV dealership except be the owner of an RV dealership. Now, let's get started. Number 5 on my list, and it dropped because I initially had this toy hauler higher until they moved the plant out of California, and that is Forest River Sandstorm / Shockwave / Stealth. They're the same product, all three of them, just to let you know. Different name, same floor plans, same build, everything. Now, I had them higher on the list, and then they went ahead and closed down the California plant, which lowered them on the list. Look, I've sold some version of Shockwave, Sandstorm, Stealth for years. They are always a little bit behind when it comes to the power sports. They're always a little behind, like a year model behind when a new big toy comes out. But right now for 2025, all of their floor plans fit the 4-seat Razer Pro R. That's right. All of their floor plans. They build every toy hauler now around a stock Razer Pro R 4-seater. But they're not the best because, dang it, why'd you have to close down the California plant? So that brings me to number 4. Number 4 on the list is Striker. Striker by Cruiser RV. Now, there is a downside to Striker. The downside to Striker is it's built in Indiana, and they are really behind the times when it comes to the power sports industry. So if you own a Can-Am X3 or a Razer Pro R or a Razer 1000 4-seater, you need to take your tape measure with you. You need to make sure you have all the dimensions of your current toy. And then you go down and obviously measure the Strikers to make sure it'll fit. They are heavy. They are not half-ton towable. Don't let them talk you into saying they're half-ton towable. They're absolute tanks going down the road. Okay? But they are butt ugly, but they're really built well. That brings me to number 3 on the list. Number 3 on the list is Alliance RV. Now, here's the cool thing about Alliance RV. When Alliance RV, who was originally the guys were the starters of Heartland RV before Thor bought them, they keep up with the power sports industry, surprisingly. Now, what that really means for you is if you buy or you're looking to buy a toy hauler, let's say in 2026 or 2027, Alliance RV is going to keep up with the power sports industry. But right now, they do build the toy hauler around the Razer Pro R. Good quality. I think overall, Alliance RV takes care of its customers. Now, are any of these companies perfect? No. Do they do the right thing every single time? No. Are they going to be bulletproof where they don't break? No. But again, RV stands for toolkit and sense of humor and earthquake on wheels. But that's nor here nor there. That brings me to number 2. Number 2, and it'll shock a lot of people, is Adrenaline and Work and Play. These are high quality toy haulers. Now again, like Striker, there is a big downside. And the big downside for 2025 is not all of their floor plans fit the Can-Am X3 or the Razer Pro R. So you do have to make sure that you go and measure before you do any kind of commitment to actually buying the toy hauler. In fact, if you already own the toy, my suggestion with work and play and adrenaline is to make sure that you basically put the toy in the toy hauler before you commit to purchasing it. But outside of that, they're heavy. They are not half-ton towable. You're gonna need a 3/4-ton truck. But again, really high quality toy hauler. And number one should be no surprise to anyone, because I am their biggest fan. Genesis Supreme RV. Any of the brands, and unfortunately they make like 6 of them. Okay? Hint, hint, Pablo, you need to cut down the brands, brother. But Genesis Supreme RV is the new top dog in the world. They are the best toy hauler built in the industry. They keep up with all of the trends. They are independently owned, which means they don't have a big corporate umbrella to report to. And the best part about Genesis Supreme RV is their owner actually built toy haulers for Thor way back in the day, so he's been on the assembly line. That's a big advantage over somebody that graduated college and went right into an office. Wouldn't you agree? Now, one thing I will say is that it's sad that there aren't very many dealers east of Texas. But if you're willing to drive and tow a toy hauler back to the East Coast, Genesis Supreme RV is well worth it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, remember, toolkit and sense of humor, folks. That's what RV stands for.